How to start an automatic full screen when you start or join a meeting on Zoom for Windows. If you wish to start the full screen when you enter a meeting or create a new one, you can do that automatically. To do this, just open Zoom. You need to have an account on Zoom to set up these settings, so log in with your account on Zoom like I have here. Now click on the Settings button. If you do not see this button, click on the profile icon and from the menu select Settings. You will see an option here. Enter full screen automatically when starting or joining a meeting. Check that box. Now you can close the settings. When you enter into a meeting, Zoom will start on full screen. Let's test this. Like you see, this works fine. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.